Hey everyone, welcome back to MindMajix YouTube channel. Today we will be learning the top 7 reasons to learn Snowflake. But before we begin, let me tell you guys that we have daily updates on multiple technologies. So if you're a tech geek in a continuous hunt for latest technological trends, then consider getting subscribed to our YouTube channel and don't forget to hit that bell icon to never miss an update from MindMajix. Now without further ado, let's get started with our 1-point agenda, that is top 7 reasons to learn Snowflake. What exactly is Snowflake, you ask? Let's begin with that. Snowflake is a fully managed cloud data warehouse that offered a software as service SaaS or database as service DaaS to clients. Snowflake uses ANSI SQL protocol, which supports both fully structured and semi-structured data formats such as JSON, Parquet, and XML. It is highly scalable in terms of user count and processing capacity, with pricing based on per second resource use. That is the top 7 reasons that will give Snowflake an edge over its competitors and will compel you to choose Snowflake over the others. The first one is the real-time data transfer. Snowflake, with its strong integration with 100 plus sources including 30 plus free sources, allows you to transfer data quickly and efficiently. This ensures effective utilization of bandwidth at both the ends. Now what's the second reason, you ask? That is data transformation. It provides a simple interface to perfect, modify, and enrich the data you want to transfer. The next reason being security. Snowflake has a fault-tolerant architecture that ensures that data is handled in a secure, consistent manner with zero data loss. Now, the fourth reason, that is tremendous connector availability. Snowflake houses a large variety of connectors that helps you bring the data from numerous marketing and SaaS applications, databases, etc., such as HubSpot, Marketo, MongoDB, Oracle, Salesforce, Redshift, and much more in an integrated and analysis-ready format. Followed by that, we have simplicity. Using Snowflake, it is easy and intuitive, ensuring that your data is exported just within a few clicks. Now, the sixth reason, that is Snowflake is a completely managed platform. Snowflake is fully managed. You need not invest time and effort to maintain or monitor the infrastructure involved in executing codes. And the last reason is live support. The Snowflake team is available around the clock to extend exceptional support to its customers through chat, email, and support calls. Apart from this, there are a few more reasons to choose Snowflake over the others. More on that in the upcoming parts. Now with that, we have come to an end of this tutorial on the top 7 reasons to choose Snowflake over the other infrastructures. If you have any queries regarding any of the topics covered in this session, then please feel free to let us know in the comment section below. Until next time, thank you, stay safe, and keep learning.